Romans
chapter 9,
chapter 9
30 into
30 into
chapter 9,
chapter 9
22.
22
As it is written,
as it is written,
Jacob I loved,
Jacob I love,
but Esau I hated.
but Esau I hate.
But shall we say then?
But
What shall we say then?
what shall we say then?
Is there
Is there
injustice on God's part?
injustice on God's part?
By no means.
By no means.
For he says to Moses,
For he says to Moses,
I will have mercy on
I will have mercy on
whom I have mercy,
whom I have mercy,
and I will have compassion
and I will have compassion
on
on
whom I have compassion.
whom I have compassion.
So then it depends
So then it depends
not on
not on
human will
human will
or exertion,
or exertion,
but on God
but on God
who has mercy.
who has mercy.
For the scripture says
For the scripture says
to Pharaoh,
to Pharaoh,
for this very purpose
for this very purpose
I have raised you up,
I have raised you up,
that I might show
that I might show
my power in you,
my power in you,
and
and
that my name
that my name
might be proclaimed in
might be proclaimed in
all the earth.
all the earth.
So then
So then
he has mercy on
he has mercy on
whomever
whomever
he wills,
he wills,
and he hardens
and he hardens
whomever he wills.
whomever he will.
You will say to me then,
You will say to me then,
why does he
why did he
still find fault?
still find fault?
For who can
For who can
resist his will?
resist his will?
But who are you,
But who are you,
O man,
O man,
to answer back to God?
to answer back to God?
Will what is
Will what is
molded say
molded say
to its molder,
to its molder?
why have you made me
Why have you made me
like this?
like this?
Has the potter
Has the potter
no right over the clay
no right over the clay
to make out
to make out
of the same lump
of the same lump
one vessel
one vessel
for honorable use
for honorable use
and another for dishonorable
for dishonorable
use? What if God,
What if God
desiring to show
desiring to show
his wrath
his wrath
and to make known
and to make known
his power,
his power
has endured with
has endured with
much patience vessels
much patience vessels
of wrath
of wrath
prepared for destruction?
prepared for destruction?
Romans
Romans
chapter 9,
chapter 9
23 to
22
32.
32.
In order to make
In order to make
known
known
the riches of his glory
the riches of his glory
for vessels of mercy,
for vessels of mercy,
which he has prepared
which he has prepared
beforehand
beforehand
for glory,
for glory,
even us
even us
whom he has called,
whom he has called,
not from the Jews
not from the Jews
only, but
only, but
also from the Gentiles.
also from the Gentiles.
As indeed
As indeed
he says in Hosea,
he said in Hosea,
those who were
those who were
not my people,
not my people,
I will call my people.
I will call my people.
and her who was not beloved,
And her who was not beloved,
I will call beloved.
I will call beloved.
And in the very place
And in the very place
where it was said to them,
where it was said to them,
you are not my people,
you are not my people.
there
They
they will be called sons of the living God.
will be called sons of the living God.
And Isaiah cries out
And Isaiah cries out
concerning Israel,
concerning Israel,
though the number of the sons of Israel
though the number of the sons of Israel
be as the sand of the sea,
be as the sand of the sea,
only a remnant
only a remnant
of them
of them
will be saved.
will be saved.
For the Lord will carry out
But the Lord will carry out
his sentence
his sentence
upon the earth
upon the earth
fully
fully
and without delay.
and without delay.
And as Isaiah predicted,
And as Isaiah predicted,
if the Lord of hosts
if the Lord of hosts
had not left
had not left
us
as
offspring,
offspring,
we would have been
we would have been
like Sodom
like Sodom
and become like Gomorrah.
and become like Gomorrah.
What shall we say then?
What shall we say then?
That Gentiles
That
who
Gentiles
did not pursue
who did not pursue
righteousness have
righteousness have
attained it.
attained it.
That is
That is
a righteousness
a righteousness
that is by faith.
that is by faith.
But that Israel
But that Israel
who pursued a law
who pursued a law
that would lead to righteousness
that would lead to righteousness
did not succeed
did not succeed
in reaching that law.
in reaching that law.
Why?
Why?
Because they did not pursue
God, they did not pursue
it by faith,
it by faith,
but as
but as
if it were based
it were based
on works.
on works.
They have
They have
stumbled over the
stumbled over the
stumbling stone.
stumbling stone.